Welcome back to Auto Garage, your ultimate hub for everything auto, off-road, electric, and RC innovation. If you're passionate about next-gen machines, realistic RC models, and cutting-edge tech, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our future uploads. Today, we've got something extraordinary for RC enthusiasts, collectors, and scale model lovers. The new next-generation 2025 1/14 hydraulic 8x8 RC Truck T815 has been officially unveiled, and it's nothing short of a masterpiece. This is not your average RC toy, this is a precision-engineered, heavy-duty, scale model beast that brings industrial power into the palm of your hands. Let's start with what makes this new T815 series stand out. Built on a robust 8x8 platform, this hydraulic-powered RC truck mimics real-life multi-axle heavy-duty vehicles down to the last bolt. The full metal chassis, high-torque brushless motor, and CNC machined aluminum parts ensure durability, high performance, and scale accuracy. Every axle is driven, with a fully operational suspension system that can handle off-road terrains, obstacles, mud, and rock trails like a real utility monster. The 2025 model introduces a next-gen hydraulic system that powers the dumper bed, winch system, and even custom attachments like cranes or drilling rigs. With realistic proportional controls, you get smooth, responsive operation. And yes, it's capable of carrying payloads up to 15 kilograms. That's serious performance for a 1/14 scale truck. Moving to its aesthetics, the level of detailing is incredible. From realistic weathered paint options to scale mirrors, wipers, LED headlights, taillights, and even signal indicators, everything looks and feels real. The T815 also comes with a fully detailed cabin with working doors, simulated gauges, steering wheel, and bucket seats. It's not just a model, it's a miniature industrial truck you can control. When it comes to electronics, this truck features a 10-channel 2.4 GHz radio system for fully proportional throttle, steering, hydraulic control, and lighting. You also get a powerful ESC, a waterproof receiver box, and a lithium polymer battery system that delivers extended runtime of up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Let's talk performance. Whether you're hauling gravel through a scale construction site or navigating an off-road RC trail course, the T815 handles like a dream. Thanks to its low gear torque and differential lock system, it maintains incredible traction and crawl capability even in the roughest terrains. Combine that with the hydraulic suspension and you've got a truck that not only looks like the real deal, but performs like it too. Customization is another highlight. The new T815 supports modular upgrades. Like additional hydraulic functions, trailer hitches, rear winches, and even sound systems that simulate engine noise and air brakes. For those who love building and upgrading, this truck is a